The fourth condition in concave mirror is object is between C and F. For this, we have to draw an object. So make sure that you have to draw a line perpendicular to the principal axis. Just two lines for the second rule line. Any line parallel to, so now I am drawing a line parallel to the principal axis. It's the mirror. So make use of these rule lines, and after striking this mirror, it passes through a focal point. The second point you have to consider is any line passing through C, any light ray passing through center of curvature will reflect back in the same direction. So you need not worry whether it is touching the mirror or not. Just try to mark the point C and the object tip and draw a line. So this is the line which is going there and coming back, reflecting back. This is the line which is parallel to the principal axis and passes through a focal point. And these two lines, these two light rays intersect at a point here, and draw a line perpendicular to the principal axis downward. So this is the image formed. When you see the image formed is size of the image formed is greater than the size of the object. An image is found beyond C. The object is between C and F. Image is found between beyond C. Now we shall write the 3 points. First is position. So when the object is between C and F, image is found beyond C. Image is found beyond C. The second point is nature of the image. So you see the object is inverted. So the nature of the image formed is real and inverted. The third point of this is we have to consider the size. When you see the size compared to the object, this is the object and this is the image. When you see the compare the size of the image to object, size of image is a little bit longer than the size of the object. Size of the image is little bit longer than the size of the object. That is, height of the image is little bit longer than the size of the object. So we say that object formed is, image form is enlarged. Enlarged image is formed here in this case. Then focal length is always negative for a concave mirror. Next, object distance is always negative because it is on the left side. Image distance is also negative because image is also formed on the left side of the mirror. Next, height of the object. We took the height of the object, it is above the principal axis, so it is taken as positive. And height of the image to be considered negative because it is the length is below the principal axis.